Hello everyone, Darvinique here, back with a quick tip. I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm at a red light, but it's just really in my spirit to share this. For my newlyweds and the people that are married and the people that are looking to get married, I strongly believe, and I push the issue that the people who are invited to your wedding are the people who believe in your wedding, believe in your marriage, and agree with the two of you getting together. And they believe in supporting you two together. And everybody has gone through it to where you go through things in your marriage. Struggles up and down, triumphs, I want to quit. But don't forget those vows, for better or for worse, through thick and thin, till death do you part. Those are serious vows. Those are real commitments. You vowed that not before the people you invited at your wedding, but also before God. And when you go through things and you reach out to those people that were at your wedding, hopefully it's those people at your wedding are supposed to kind of create like a barrier around your marriage. How do I want to say that? Those people are supposed to support you, encourage you, keep encouraging the unit that you guys have together. Ooh, I went over like a little speed bump. Encouraging the unit that you have together. If you are calling and getting advice from people, and the advice you're getting from people is like, well, girl, I wouldn't do that. If that was me, I would have been left, and dog, you need to leave her, and turn her phone off, and just crazy, not encouraging support and building the unit up as a marriage. You really got to watch who you go to when you're calling for advice when it deals with relationships. I'm one that believes in love. I'm one that believes in marriage and keeping things together and happily ever after. We all go through things in life to where it doesn't always end up that way, but the people you call or the people that you look to, you're calling because you need advice. You're calling because you need help, some type of way to get out the situation that you're in. So make sure that the people that you are calling are giving you good advice. They support your